My name's Sam, and today we're talking about the Acer circinatum Burgundy Jewel vine maple. This is a cultivar with dark purple burgundy color on any leaf that sees the sun. You'll notice that down underneath the leaves are much more green. So while vine maples are fairly shade tolerant, this variety actually looks its best in full sun. This is a 1 gallon size. It's about 2 to 3 years old. This is our 3 gallon here, pot that's 10 inches in diameter. And then our 7 gallon is a 4 to 5 foot tall tree. And this is the largest size we can fit in a box and ship across the country. This one is about probably 6 years old, maybe seven now. And this will be what it will look like in about another 5 or 10 years. This beautiful specimen tree in our display garden here, showing these kind of bright red samaras on it, and it has really kind of a nice open branching structure with deep purple stems in the winter as well.